Hello. Today we're analyzing Bank of America stock. Bank of America stock is currently trading at $46.03 level. Section 1. RSI Analysis. The current Relative Strength Index, RSI, for Bank of America Corporation, BAC, stands at 62.7, placing it within the neutral zone. The RSI is a momentum oscillator that measures the speed and change of price movements, typically ranging from 0 to 100. An RSI above 70 suggests that a stock may be overbought, while levels below 30 indicate an oversold condition. With BAC's RSI currently below 70, it does not yet signal an overbought condition, allowing for further upside potential before reaching that threshold. The RSI value of 62.7 indicates that BAC is experiencing positive momentum, yet it's important to note that being in this range does not guarantee sustained upward movement. It is still essential to observe market conditions and other technical indicators to confirm potential price movements. The RSI could remain elevated and suggest bullish momentum until it approaches the overbought territory, which may signal a potential reversal or pullback. Section 2. Moving Averages Analysis. Examining the moving averages for BAC, the current price of $46.03 is situated strategically in relation to the short-term averages. The 5-day moving average is at $46.08. indicating that the stock is trading slightly below this short-term trend line. The 10-day moving average at $45.69 and the 20-day moving average at $45.55 further highlight that BAC is currently above these longer-term averages, suggesting a bullish trend in the intermediate term. The relationship between the price and the moving averages is crucial for understanding market sentiment. The fact that BAC is above both the 10-day and 20-day moving averages indicates that there is underlying strength in the stock. However, the proximity to the 5-day moving average may suggest that a short-term pullback could be imminent, especially if the price fails to break above this level. A crossover where the price consistently stays above the moving averages could confirm a more sustained bullish trend. Section 3. MACD Analysis. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD indicator, shows the MACD line at 0.047 and the signal line at 0.095. The positive MACD line indicates that the short-term momentum is currently stronger than the long-term momentum, providing a bullish signal. Furthermore, the fact that the MACD line is above the signal line suggests that upward momentum may persist, lending further credence to the bullish outlook for BAC in the near term. However, the negative value of the signal line indicates that there is caution to be had. The proximity of these two lines suggests that momentum could shift if the MACD were to cross below the signal line, indicating a potential change in trend direction. Investors should monitor this indicator closely to gauge whether the bullish momentum can hold or if a bearish turn is forthcoming. Section 4. Bollinger Bands Analysis. In analyzing the Bollinger Bands for BAC, the stock is currently priced below the upper band at $46.36 and above the lower band at $44.74. with the middle band, or 20-day simple moving average, sitting at $45.55. This positioning suggests that the stock is not experiencing extreme volatility, but is instead trading within a normal range. The fact that BAC is below the upper band indicates that there is room for the price to move higher without being deemed overbought, which is a positive sign for bullish traders. Additionally, the Bollinger Bands can offer insights into potential volatility and price action. The current normal volatility indicates that BAC may be in a period of consolidation. A squeeze pattern might occur, leading to a breakout, either upward or downward, depending on broader market conditions and investor sentiment. Monitoring the width of the bands can provide further clues about impending volatility, making it crucial for traders to remain vigilant. Section 5. Volume Analysis. Current trading volume for BAC stands at 347,630 shares, which is below the average volume of 4,813,373 shares. This volume comparison signifies that current trading activity is subdued, potentially indicating a lack of strong conviction among traders at this moment. Volume plays a critical role in validating price movements. Low volume can often accompany price consolidation or indicate indecisiveness among market participants. The volume-price relationship is essential for confirming trends. In this case, as BAC's price holds steady around $46.03, the below-average volume may suggest that the current price level is not being strongly supported by investor interest. If BAC were to break above the resistance level of $48.33, an increase in volume would be expected to validate that breakout. Conversely, a decline in price accompanied by low volume might not necessarily signal a strong, bearish trend. Section 6. Support and Resistance. Key support for BAC is identified at $43.73, while resistance is noted at $48.33. These levels are critical for traders as they mark areas where the stock may reverse direction. The support level at $43.73 represents a price point where buying interest may emerge, potentially preventing the price from falling further. Conversely, the resistance level at $40.33 serves as a psychological barrier that could cap upside movement unless convincingly breached. The strength of these levels can be assessed by considering the historical price action of BAC. If the price approaches these levels with increased volume, it may indicate stronger conviction behind the movement. A breakout above resistance could confirm an upward trend, while a break below support could suggest bearish sentiment gaining traction. Section 7. Market Scenarios. In a bullish scenario, if BAC can break above the resistance level at $48.33 with strong volume backing, it could signal the beginning of a new upward trend. Traders might look for higher price targets, potentially in the range of $50 to $52, depending on market sentiment and broader economic conditions. The positive RSI, MACD, and the positioning relative to moving averages would support this bullish outlook. Conversely, in a bearish scenario, if the price were to fall below the critical support level at $43.73, it could indicate a shift in sentiment. Such a movement would likely trigger additional selling pressure, leading to lower targets around $42 or even $40. Risk management strategies, such as stop-loss orders, would be prudent in this case to mitigate potential losses. The current market trend being bearish adds to the caution, as external factors could influence price action. In summary, BAC is currently in a complex market position with mixed signals. Investors should remain vigilant, closely monitoring key indicators and levels, and be prepared for either bullish or bearish scenarios as they unfold. The combination of technical indicators and volume analysis will provide essential insights into the stock's future performance, and prudent risk management will be necessary to navigate the upcoming price action effectively. Characters 8988. This analysis is for informational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice. For more content, please like and subscribe to our channel.